I'll start with the thread in yellow. I make the magic ring. And inside this ring, we are going to work 10 single crochet. I close the ring, and I make a slip stitch or a tapestry needle finish. For the second round, let's insert the needle into any of the points. And now using the color pink, I make 2 chains. Wire loop, back to the first point, and here I work 2 double crochet. 1 double crochet. I come back to the same point and make another 1 double crochet. Now at the next point, I make 2 double crochet. I make 2 chains. Insert the needle into the next point, and I make a slip stitch. I make 2 chains. I go back to the same point and work 2 double crochet. Now at the next point, let's make 2 double crochet. I make 2 chains. And at the next point, I make a slip stitch. 2 streams. And 2 double crochet at the same point. At this next point, we will work 2 double crochet. And we will keep repeating this sequence. Finally, cut my wire, leaving a little left over for the finish. And with tapestry needle, we will do this finish. Now guys, let's use a little bit of green thread. For that, I will make the sliding knot. 16 chains. And those 16 chains will give more or less the circumference. Your finger you can increase as many gullies as you want. Now let's make another little chain. Skip this chain we made now, and I will proceed by inserting the needle at the next point and making a half double crochet. So I introduce the needle, I look for the wire, I tie it again and pull the 3 straps. Let's do it all over the cordon of currants, When it ends, we're going to leave a little leftover wire. To do the finishing, so we're going to introduce the needle here on this first point. And let's do some points here. Then I come back here to the point where I started. And I do here the union of the two tribes. I go to the next point and repeat the same thing. Then tie one knot with those leftovers of yarn. Now the time has come for the union of the two parties. And here I'm going to use some silicone glue. But if you prefer, you can sew with the same yarn color you used. Flower core is and this is the result of our crochet piece today. A super fast idea and simple to make. What are these flower motif crochet rings? That you might be there giving to your customer, giving as a toast, or using it as a souvenir too. Thank you so much for watching this far. Don't forget to leave this video with your like and also its appearance. Thank you so much for watching this far, and see you next time.